The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So last day in our video we saw that how we can earn from Medium by writing engageable stories or articles. Now here we told you that we are gonna show you how you can write copyright-free articles automatically. So that's why I'm making this video today, that you can able to write article based on your keyword and it's absolutely free. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also join our Facebook group premium share to get daily updates. So before we begin, I want to assure you that you can use this automated generate articles, but it's predictable that there might be some errors. So you can edit this as a reader point of view. You can edit it properly, and then after that you will get a much more engageful content for your website or your blog or your article. Today I will introduce you two tools what you can use to generate articles. Now here our first tool is Intricate. Now you can just type here your keyword and click on generate, and it will generate your article automatically. So let's see, again check the website carefully. Okay, so when you click on generate, it will automatically generate all the text for you. Now hold on a second, don't skip the video, because if you notice here you will see it's just stopped in a certain number of words. So let's count how many words are there in this article. So if we are using here word counter, and it shows us that it's only 80 words. Now as we are using it the demo version, so let's see how we can use the premium of this tool. So for that we had to sign up for this tool. So now here when you come home page of this website, you will see there's an option for sign up. You can sign up with your GitHub account or Google account or any email you have. Now after you create your account, it's gonna send you a mail, a confirmation code link in your mail. You have to confirm that. You see there's a three option for to go with. You can choose the free for this time. Now with the free account you can have it for a limited time to use this. Now you can set the length for maximum, and if you see the all the parts here, you can see there are much more advanced parts. Now we select here digital marketing as our keyword, so we just copy this one, and in advanced section we will put that keyword. When we use this option, it will make us sure that there are much more same word we will get in our article when it's going to give us the final result. There are much more advanced options you can go with, but here we just go with the basic options and click on start. Now you can see that it will start creating the article. As it's a neural network AI, so it will provide you the text what it think come next after the text you provide. So this way it will create the articles for you. Wait and see, there are some in a certain point it just get stuck, and if we see the full counting here, there is only 163 characters, words. So what you have to do, just so go back to the website, and if you see in the last line, keep there your mouse cursor and then again hit start, and you see it will continuously create the article for you, the long article. You can do it as much as you want for your article. But here in free account we are limited to use the tool, because here we just get around 3000 characters limit for using the tool, and we get just a limited number of days to use this tool. But if we get the pro version, we can use it as many times as we want. So here you can see that our new article is around 500 words, 482 words. We can use it for our article. So if you lost your access to the free version, you can again create a new account with the new email or information for this tool. Now if we try to see it's unique or not, here I use the Grammarly plagiarism checker tool, and it shows us that it's absolutely copyright free article, and it's fresh. So for the double confirmation, I use the Q-text tool for verify the article it's really unique or not. So when I use this, it shows us that it's a almost fresh article and having a little copy content, but it's not matter for our blog when we use it for Google AdSense or something like Medium, what I showed in the last video. So you can use it, and hope so far you like this video, and don't skip the video right now, because our next tool is also a great tool what you can use to generate free article for your blog. So stay tuned and make sure that you hit the subscribe option for our video and get the notification bell on. Okay, so let's jump to our next tool, Short AI. This is our second tool what we can use to generate automation text for our articles. Now this is more similar like the first tool what we see, but here is some more option what you can do, and it's absolutely a free tool. There's no subscription for that. So for if you want to use this, just you have to make an account for that with your email address, and for the information you just have to create just an account here, and then click on sign up and start. You will see the option for go next. They will say you some introduction of their tool, but you can go with the next, and here you will get two options. If you want to write for your articles, you can go with the first option, and if you want to go with if you want a story based article, you can go with the second one. Now as I am going to for our article, blog article, I will use the first one, and you can see here I had to give here title for my article. So I will use this title, and based on this title I had to write around 1 or 2 line sentence for my article, and after that it this software will analyze that text, and based on this it will produce the next lines one by one using the AI of this tool. You see that it's automatically giving me all the article and sentence, and if you notice there are some errors of the words, you can just fix it with the Grammarly. Now if you notice that it stopped in somewhere else, you just have to click here write for me, and it will start again and again, and you can make it as much big as you want for your article. Now after you get your article, you can use it for verify it's unique or not. So for that again I will use the Grammarly plagiarism checker for this one, and we see that it's an absolutely free tool. We can verify our plagiarism for the text, and you see that it's a unique article we can use to get approval on Google AdSense. and you can use it for affiliate marketing skills as well. But make sure that when you use this for Google AdSense approval, you will get it, because in Google AdSense approval we are required to have a fresh and unique article in our website or our blog. Although it gives you fresh and unique article for Google AdSense approval in your blog, but while getting the auto-generated article, there are some unnecessary lines and words you should remove before you publish in your blog for a long time purpose. Okay, so it's a really a long video, but I hope you're gonna like this video. And if you want a video on how you can get approval with this text in a Google AdSense, so you can just comment below. I will show